Good morning, students. So, how was your weekend? We are. I'm all right. Tell me about you. How you people are? Blessed. So, what you did on the weekend? So, what you people did on the weekends? Anything special? I'm perfectly all right. 54 people are there on the line, and I think very few people are reverting to me that what they did. सब good morning लिख रहे हैं, ये नहीं बता रहे हैं कि what they have did on the weekend. 'Okay, church is also going online. Very nice. Sanket, why you need the section box? Very nice. Very good. Fully enjoyment, full enjoyed. Yeah, fully enjoyed. It was a fun full day. It was a full enjoyment. Fully enjoyment नहीं होता, या तो होता है full enjoyment या होता है fully enjoyed. Okay, do you know what we are going to study today? Very nice. जिस बच्चे ने रिवीजन भी की है, जो स्कूल में कराया सब. Wow. So today we are going to study present continuous tense. Continuous में U O U S आता है. Spelling गलत. See the spelling of present continuous. They will check the recorded lecture. Don't worry. Okay. What is present continuous? जो present में अभी होगा. The present continuous, also called the present progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show an ongoing action is happening now. मतलब जो ongoing होता है, मतलब जो चलेगा action, वो क्या है? अभी happen होगा. मतलब अभी क्या होगा? वो अभी होगा. Either at the moment of a speech और नाउ इन अ लार्जर सेंस, मतलब या तो जब ऐसा होता है कि जब मैं बोलने लगी ही इज गोइंग टू डू दिस, है ना, कि वो ऐसा करेगा, तो या तो अभी के लिए होगा या एक लार्जर सेंस में होता है। द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस कैन आल्सो बी यूज्ड टू शो द एक्शन इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस इन द नियर फ्यूचर, मतलब नियर फ्यूचर में अभी होने लगा है, तो हम कहते हैं इसमें हम क्या यूज करते हैं, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस। रीड ऑन द डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन। प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस का मतलब क्या है, इसमें क्या है, इज एम आर यूज होता है, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज होती है प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। अब जैसे है उसमें हम कहते हैं यू आर वॉचिंग टीवी, तुम टीवी वॉच कर रहे हो, आर यू वॉचिंग टीवी, ये क्या हो गया उसका इंटेरोगेटिव। इंटेरोगेटिव में क्या होता है, जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है वो आगे आ जाता है, और जो मतलब नेगेटिव होता है उसमें कहते हैं यू आर नॉट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद नॉट आ जाता है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज समथिंग विच वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे। सो आई थिंक यू आर वेल अंडरस्टूड दैट इट इज सब्जेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यू, वो वाला टेंस में, वो वाले काम में हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस लगाते हैं, या तो वो हो रहा है या अभी होने लगा है। ही इज गोइंग टू मेक टी, वो बनाने लगी है चाय, है ना, तो वो नियर फ्यूचर में क्या है, वो काम होने वाला है। ही इज टॉकिंग, जा वो चल रहा है, ही इज टॉकिंग विद हिज फ्रेंड, वी आर अटेंडिंग द क्लास, वी आर गोइंग टू अटेंड द क्लास। she is going to attend the class, she is attending the class। अब इसमें थोड़े से सेंटेंसेस, जैसे आई एम, हमें पता है इज एम आर कहाँ लगते हैं, इज विद द, इज कहाँ लगता है भाई, टेल मी, हमने यहाँ पे इज एम आर लगाए हैं, अब इज एम आर कहाँ लगने हैं ये भी तो पता होना चाहिए। इज लगता, इज लगता है सिंगुलर के साथ, इज कहाँ लगता है, सिंगुलर के साथ। एम लगता है आई के साथ, आई एम। आर लगता है प्लूरल के साथ, क्लियर। अब वी दे यू के साथ क्या लगेगा, टेल मी, वी दे यू के साथ क्या लगेगा, आर। आई के साथ, आई के साथ स्टूडेंट्स एम, और ही शीट के साथ very nice is। So now the thing is clear to us and we are going to write some sentences। जैसे कि हम कहते हैं I am speaking, really I am speaking, I am not speaking, am I speaking, ठीक है। you are speaking, तुम बोल रहे हो, you are not speaking, ठीक है। are you speaking, we are speaking, we are not speaking, they are speaking, he is speaking, she is speaking, it is sleeping, speaking, it is। अब नॉन लिविंग जो है वो कैसे बोल सकता है, कोई टॉय हो सकता है जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, तो उस केस में लगाया हुआ इट इज स्पीकिंग, या डॉगी इट इज बार्किंग होता है वैसे, ठीक है। So now I will be giving you, like you are going to write five sentences with this formula in the present continuous form. Please start doing it. It हमारा नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के साथ या एनिमल्स के साथ यूज होता है। Where we use it with the non living, no short forms please। Hanji, he is writing. Ram is going to the school. I am writing a novel. He is preparing for the exam. I am nothing without my God. Mohan is speaking. It is sunny day. I am attending the class. Sita is singing a beautiful song. I'm trying my best. They are. I am listening to the class carefully. He is going to the school. I am eating food. Raman is dancing. Geeta is going to Delhi tomorrow. She is crying. He is talking to his friend. The baby is sleeping in a crib. I am going to the market. Sham is walking. She is writing. I am eating fruits. I'm going to the home. She is launching. Tap is running. I am preparing for CAP. He is not just joking. He was कैसे आएगा? Was वाले तो हम बोल ही नहीं रहे. We are looking. We are cooking pudding today. Kamal is teasing me. I am going to the shop. I am plucking the flowers in the garden. From the garden. She is swimming. Swimming के spelling SWIMMING. They are distracting me. I'm gonna word नहीं लिखते हैं. This is really a chat language. I am handball player. I am playing handball हो सकता है because मैंने बोला है कि this is a continuous tense. Ma'am is drinking tea or coffee. It is very beautiful animal. I am singing a song. ठीक है. I'm going to the school. They are playing in the park. The children are making noise. A noise नहीं आता. We are roaming to the zoo. Ram is singing a song in a very good voice. The sun rising in the east is living in a swamp since last year. I am going to the school. Mohan is driving. DRIVING. He is reading books. I want to go abroad. I am नहीं होता. I want to go abroad होता है. पर वो sentence जो है that is not present continuous. I am going abroad, that is present continuous. It is a beautiful dog. I am studying. He is studying. We are studying. You are not studying. Praise the Lord, ma'am. I am writing. Ma'am is very beautiful. The baby is crying in the crib. Ma'am is holding a mug. I am reading the book. I am done. My book नहीं आएगा. I am doing my work. I am playing. She is playing with rabbit. I am praying. Ma'am is chatting with her friends. Oh my God. क्यों लिख रहे हो ऐसा? Ma'am is teaching me नहीं. Ma'am is teaching to us. I am playing table tennis. He is looking so gorgeous. I am singing, she is running fast, ma'am is speaking, our family is, because lecture is continuing, my mother is making tea for me, the children are making noise, she is reading a thrilled novel book, I am writing an email to my manager. बिल्कुल सही है शहनाज. We are enjoying. We are. अब ये भी बातें हैं कि जब हमने टेंस सीख लेने हैं, हमने जब भी कुछ लिखना है उस सिचुएशन में सोचना है कि ये कौन सी सिचुएशन है, क्या वो ये प्रेजेंट में काम चल रहा है तो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, सिंपल मेरी हैबिट है तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट है, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट, तो आपको समझ आ गया. उसके बाद उसका जो ग्रामेटिकल रूल है उसके अकॉर्डिंग सेंटेंस बनाने हैं, देन यू विल बी परफेक्टली करेक्ट. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग अ लाई. मैम मेरी सिस का एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो गया. देन अमन फिर क्या हो गया? You are shopping in the market. Ma'am is looking so gorgeous. I'm I am doing the work. So sorry. We are preparing for the UPSC. Okay, let's learn something else now. We are preparing for the UPSC. We are talking in English. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस के यूजेस, वो कहाँ कहाँ यूज होता है. यूज द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस विद द नॉर्मल वर्ब्स टू एक्सप्रेस द आइडिया दैट समथिंग इज हैपनिंग नाउ. कहते हैं नॉर्मल वर्ब, जैसे वर्ब क्या है उसके साथ आईएनजी लगा देना है बस. एट एट दिस एवरी मोमेंट it can also be used to show that something is not happening now. You are learning English now. You are not swimming now. मतलब जो चीज आपने अभी कहना कि नहीं हो रही है उसके लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो. आर यू स्लीपिंग? आई एम सिटिंग. आई एम नॉट स्टैंडिंग. इज ही सिटिंग और स्टैंडिंग? They are reading their books. They are not watching television. What are you doing? Why aren't you doing your work? But I don't know why you are not able to hear my voice. My network is going good. Are other people having any issue? If it is all okay, the concerned person have to see his network. In the morning, I don't think you will be facing any network issue. Everything is fine over here. Those people who are facing any problem have to refresh their, you can say, network. अच्छा, in English now can mean this second. अब कहते हैं, हम कहते हैं you are not eating now, मतलब तुम अब नहीं खा रहे हो, है ना. वो कहते हैं नाउ अभी जो है, नाउ जो वर्ड है वो इस सेकंड के लिए यूज हो सकता है, इस टाइम के लिए, आज के लिए यू आर नॉट नाउ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू द स्कूल, मतलब तुम आज स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हो, है ना। इस मंथ के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है, इस ईयर के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है, दिस सेंचुरी। अर्लियर इट यूज टू हैपन लाइक दिस, बट नाउ इन दिस सेंचुरी नोबडी इज इलिटरेट, ठीक है। तो इसलिए भी यूज होता है। समटाइम वी यूज द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टू से दैट वी आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डूइंग अ लॉन्गर एक्शन which is in progress. However, however we might not be going it at this exact second. जैसे I am studying to become a doctor. मैं पढ़ रहा हूं क्योंकि मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, ठीक है। इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं कि मैं अभी डॉक्टर बन जाऊंगा, नहीं, but still the action is in continuous tense. I am not studying to become a dentist. I am reading the book टॉम सॉयर। अब मैं बुक पढ़ रहा हूं, इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी कि मैं अभी पढ़ रहा हूं, वो अभी के लिए नहीं है, बट वो इस पीरियड में है कि मैं ये बुक पढ़ रहा हूं। आई एम नॉट रीडिंग एनी बुक्स राइट नाउ, अभी मैं कोई बुक नहीं पढ़ रहा हूं, तो उसके लिए वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। ये नाउ की कहानी है भी, नाउ नाउ जो है कहाँ कहाँ यूज हो सकता है विद द कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस। आर यू वर्किंग ऑन द स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट्स एट वर्क, क्या तुम लोग स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम कर रहे हो, तो हमने तब भी यूज कर लिया। नाउ आई वांट यू पीपल टू मेक दीज टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग नाउ। कहां पर कहीं पे नाउ जो है वो आज के दिन के लिए हो, कहीं पे आज इस सेकंड के लिए हो, कहीं पे इस मंथ के लिए हो, और कहीं पे इस साल के लिए हो, और इस सेंचुरी के लिए हो। सबके लिए बनाओ सेंटेंसेस, सोचो, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग नाउ। I am studying now. Now I am going to drink a glass of water. Hmm. Shikha is not being aggressive. We are going to attend the lecture now. They have shifted to Mumbai now. I am studying to become an IPS. Now I am finished my work. Now I will finish my work now. I'm writing a letter. No, I'm not coming to the school. Today I'm not coming. I'm going to complete this subject by this month. Now I am drinking. Now I will drink tea. Now I am drinking tea. कॉन्टिन्यूस भी तो रखना है ना, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस, उसको भी तो मेन रखना है, बट उसको रखते हुए हमने नाउ के सेंटेंसेस लगाने हैं। Earlier I wanted to become a doctor. I'm not playing right now. Now we are not going to the school. I'm able to speak in English. Now we are not going out because of coronavirus. I'm not watering the plants now. I'm not sleeping now. We are listening the lecture. I'm not, you can say, sleeping now as I am listening to the lecture. Now I'm not going to the church. Now we are, now I'm attending the lecture. Now you are going to the market. I'm writing now. Now I am going to Delhi. Now I'm going to the playground. Church will be going to open now. Church will open now. Now they are not eating the food. Okay, please concentrate on this now. Now I'm very hungry. Please, please, please come to the side. Stop typing now. Stop typing. Sometimes speaker use the present continuous tense to indicate that something will or will not happen in the future. Example, I am meeting some friends after work. I'm not going to the party tonight. अब यहाँ पे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस नहीं है, बट हम ये कहते हैं कि अब ऐसा नहीं होगा. समटाइम्स क्या होता है, that something will or will not happen in the near future. मतलब ये काम होगा या नहीं होगा, वहां पे भी मैं क्या यूज करती हूँ, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. वो किस तरह, आई एम मीटिंग सम फ्रेंड्स आफ्टर द वर्क. मैं कुछ फ्रेंड्स को मिलने वाली हूँ आफ्टर द वर्क. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू द पार्टी टू नाइट. मैं आज पार्टी पे नहीं जा रही हूँ. इज ही विजिटिंग हिज पेरेंट्स नेक्स्ट वीकेंड. क्या वो अपने पेरेंट्स को मिल रहा है अगले वीकेंड. इजंट ही कमिंग विद अस टुनाइट. क्या वो हमारे साथ नहीं आ रहा है आज, मतलब नहीं आ रहा है. तो व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज कॉन्टिन्यूअस. नाउ ट्राई टू मेक सेंटेंसेस इन दिस सेंटेंस कि जहां पे आप बताओगे कि विल हैपन और विल नॉट हैपन इन द नियर फ्यूचर. I am going to attend Mr. Ravi Sher Singh's lecture after my English lecture. तो क्या होगा कि वो क्या है, वो उसमें आपने प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस यूज किया. अब आप देखो, we are not going to attend English lecture from today. हम आज से इंग्लिश लेक्चर नहीं अटेंड करेंगे. तो वो क्या है, इज ही गोइंग टू द मार्केट टुडे. क्या वो मार्केट जाएगा आज. सिंपल बनाओ उसको, नेगेटिव के साथ बनाओ उसको, इंटेरोगेटिव बनाओ उसका, इंटेरोगेटिव नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव इंटेरोगेटिव बनाओ. Am I not reading novel? Is he going to the market today? I'm writing a letter after the work. Is he not attending the classes? We are not going to the show today. They will work on the proposed idea. My father and mother aren't drinking coffee. We are not walking. Are they not playing a cricket? They will come tomorrow. Is he? Your brother is not calling you tomorrow. I am reading a book. We will succeed one day. ये continuous नहीं है. We will succeed one day. I am eating breakfast after the lecture. I am not working hard. Am I reading the book? Are you not ready now for driving? I am not eating any food today. I am not playing the game. I am not going to the market. Are you sleeping? You are listening music today. He is attending the webinar after the class. Isn't he attending the webinar after the class? Is he attending the webinar? I am not interested in this book. I am not interested in this book. I am preparing Dhani, I am preparing today's exam. Are you interested? I am going to crack UPSC in 2021. Is it raining? This week we are not going. I am not going to Jalandhar. We feel so blessed today's morning. We are feeling so blessed in this morning. You are not attending the English class today. I am not playing the football. ठीक है. अब क्या बात क्या कहते हैं. हम प्रेजेंट क्या है? तुम जहां पे खड़े हो उससे पीछे वाली बात क्या है? वो पास्ट है. और जो आएगा वो क्या है? वो फ्यूचर है. अब रिपीटिशन एंड इरिटेशन with always can the present continuous with the words such as always or constantly express the idea that something irritating or shocking often happens. Notice that the meaning is like simple present but it with a negative emotion. Remember to put the words always or constantly between be and verb. She is always coming to the classroom late. अब इसमें क्या है? इरिटेशन हो रही है. ये टीचर नेगेटिव ही बात कर रहा है उसमें कि वो ऑलवेज आती है बट लेट आती है. ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली टॉकिंग. आई विश ही शुड शट अप. ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली टॉकिंग. नो डाउट इट इज अ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस बट कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्ड भी यूज कर दिया या ऑलवेज ये वर्ड भी यूज कर दिया बट उसके बाद वाली बात क्या है? वो नेगेटिव होती है. मतलब जिसमें क्या इरिटेशन होती है कि उसकी हैबिट सही नहीं है, उसका एटीट्यूड सही नहीं है. आई डोंट लाइक देम बिकॉज दे आर ऑलवेज कंप्लेनिंग. मैं उनको पसंद नहीं करता हूँ क्योंकि वो हमेशा कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं. सो ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस आप बनाओ जो प्रेजेंट हो कॉन्टिन्यूअस ऑलवेज लगा के बट वो क्या है या कॉन्स्टेंटली लगा के जो एक्सप्रेस करे इरिटेशन को. She attends the lecture but always asks questions. They are always arrogant towards her. But this is not continuous. She is always telling a lie. He is attending class but always leave after. He is attending the class but always leave after some time. He is shrinking work. I do not want to work with him. जैसे हमने ऐसे सेंटेंसेस बनाने, जैसे she always comes for the party, but you can say destroys the plan. I don't like because she's always I don't like her because she always cheats me. She always hurts me. Hurt me. I don't like that person who is not respecting our partners. We are not understood today's lecture. Really, you are not able to understand, Saurabh? We always understand the lecture, but today not. I don't like them because they are always complaining. No, ma'am, it's a sentence. Ma'am, all the sentences are correct. Yes. Yes, 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 dear. You are doing it. She is good looking but always talking too much. Ma'am is always ignoring my messages. He is always listening music. But today not. फिर ठीक है. I don't like Rahul because he is fighting with me. Because he fights with me. I always like Rahul. I always respect Rahul, but he is, but he irritates me. She is good but very talkative. बिल्कुल सही. She is always coming to the party. She always come to the party, but late. I don't like joking persons because they are always irritate me. Because they always irritate me. I don't like playing. Rahul is always playing a cricket, but now he is not able to playing a cricket. But now he is not able to. बस इतना ही आता है. I always respect her, but sometimes she hurt me. I don't like smoking persons. I always very happy. I always very happy, but today is not happy. I am always happy, but today not. But not today. I don't like reading the novels. I tried to speak in English. Tried. TRIED. I don't like coffee, but coffee is not suitable. I am feeling awkward because that man is constantly staring at me. I am trying to speak in English. I don't like playing football. Is work being done? I don't like the sad song. I'm trying to speak in Hindi. It will be perfect one day. I don't like fast food because not good for my health. I trying our floors being mopped. Our floors being mopped. आप पता क्या करी जा रहे हो? आप कंटिन्यूस तो बना ही नहीं रहे हो, आप जो बनाना है बनाई जा रहे हो. I always clean my house. अच्छा. I don't like them. सुमन प्रीत आपका मैसेज कहाँ आया है? I am fond of reading books, but today I don't want to do. I don't like movie. हाँ, आपका कैसे रह सकते हैं? I don't like Vicky because he is always having fear. I always wake up early in the morning, but today I am feeling lazy. I am trying to be making stronger, but I am fighting with my. I try to be stronger, but I'm trying to be stronger, but my problems make me not. I am always happy. I am trying to improve my behavior. Sanket has tried to. We are always going to the church on Sunday. I am very funny. I'm always treating people nicely, but he annoyed me. I am always happy. I'm always playing a cricket because it's my favorite game. Chalo, let's move to the next slide and understand something else now. Yes, please. कहते present continuous के कुछ tips. Remember non-continuous forms and mixed verbs. It is important to remember that non-continuous verbs cannot be used in any continuous tenses. I'm always hitting. And it is important to remember that non-continuous verbs, जैसे कुछ verbs ऐसे होते हैं जो non-continuous होते हैं, cannot be used in any continuous tenses. Also, certain non-continuous non-continuous meanings for mixed verbs cannot be used in continuous tenses. Instead of using present continuous with the verbs, you must use simple present. जैसे he is loving this chocolate ice cream. Not correct. He loves this chocolate ice cream. कुछ ऐसे नॉन कॉन्टिन्यूस वर्ब्स होते हैं जिसमें कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस नहीं लगता है. ठीक है, तो उस केस में हमने क्या करना होता है, अगर हम ये लिखे जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया है, शी इज लविंग दिस चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम, हम कहते हैं आई एम लविंग इट, वो बात अलग है. पर कहते हैं अगर किसी के बारे में बोलना हो तो हम उसको प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में बोल देते हैं, शी लव्स दिस चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम. आ रही है समझ? और बनाओ ऐसे सेंटेंसेस. ऐसे मैं बोलती हूँ उसका, बनाओ कोई ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें मतलब है तो वो कॉन्टिन्यूस है, बट वो क्या है, कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म में नहीं लिखा जा सकता, हमने उसको प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट फॉर्म में लिखना है. आई लव इन इंडिया, आई एम लविंग इट नहीं, शी इज लविंग इंडिया है ना, शी लव्स इंडिया हो सकता है, ऐसे हो सकता है. और दे के साथ कोई सेंटेंस बनाओ. थिंक, the boys maintain decorum in the class. Yes, सही है. Are they still in pathetic condition? Tess looks tired. Continuous है, ठीक है. They always think positive. I am knowing him incorrect. I know him correct. They still love each other. They love to go abroad. They love to go abroad. She loves funnel cake. They love each other. They loves to study है, they love to study. आप तो मेरा प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट भी हिलाई जा रहे हो, जबकि मैंने उसमें बोला था प्लूरल के साथ एस और एस नहीं आता है, सीधा वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म आता है. दे के स्पेलिंग ला दिए, दे लव्स टू स्टडी नहीं, दे लव टू स्टडी. दे ऑलवेज ईट टुगेदर. Okay. Adverb placement. Can the examples below the shows that the placement of the grammar adverb such as always, only, never, ever, still, just. You are still watching TV. Are you still watching TV? अब आप भी ऐसे sentences बनाओ. पहले always के साथ सब sentence बनाओ. Always के साथ एक sentence बनाओ. In the present continuous उसमें they always try to be happy. They always play badminton. I am always with you. Prayer is always your priority. Always be happy. I always remember you. He is always sleeping in the class. They always like pizza. She always try to help needy person. She always they always playing football. You are all I always prayer for everyone. Always speak the truth, not speaks. I am always worship. Always I always worship. फिर am नहीं आता. They always like banana shake. I am always ignoring negative people. I always clean my house. He is always a good friend. They always do some mistakes. We always attending classes. We always attend class. She always play games. I always try to give my best. I always do the deeds which are helping me to get focused. She always go to Delhi. She's always go to Delhi. So she always go to Delhi. Okay, now with only. I'm only working. I am only working. I am only attending the class. I only like pizza. Only you, my heart. हाँ नो 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 ऐसे नहीं बनाओ कॉन्टिन्यूस में बनाओ जैसे है ना आई एम ओनली वर्किंग मतलब मैं अकेली काम कर रही हूँ वो कॉन्टिन्यूस है आई ऑलवेज अटेंड द क्लास आई ऑलवेज कुक फूड आई ओनली कुक फूड शी इज ओनली द अर्निंग हैंड आई एम ओनली हेयर ठीक है आई ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी आई ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी आई ऑलवेज रिमेन हैप्पी किसी को कहना हो तो बोलते बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज आई एम ओनली आई ओनली माई वन फ्रेंड आई हैव ओनली वन फ्रेंड बट वो फिर प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में नहीं बोल सकते जीसस इज ओनली सर्वाइवर ऑन दिस अर्थ I am only eating food. I am only one who practice in the fair. I am only preparation for the UPSC. He is depositing. I am only playing guitar. Only one person can enter in the ATM. I am only trusted Jesus Christ. I only trust Jesus Christ. वो present indefinite form में आना है. She is only studying hard to pass the test. She is only studying hard. Only my friend selected in the. अच्छा जी. अब never के साथ now. She never speaks truth. She never attends the class. You are only in me. I never eat non-veg. We will never give up. He never comes back in my life. He will never come back in my life. Okay, yes. She never listens to what he never talks to his brother. I never speak bad words. I never tea. I never take tea. She never hurts me. Ever के साथ. Ever I loved you. Ever I went for a shopping. अब ever के साथ बनाओ. Have you ever been to London? We will never come back. She will. She never goes to. Do you ever come to my home? Did she ever receive a scholarship? Even I and my family is enjoying this. Did you ever receive this mail? Okay, now make sentences with still. Still, it's hard for me. Ab tak. Are you still there? Is she still available for meeting? Is it is it is it raining here? Still, it's raining हो जाता है. I still find it difficult. Still, I am learning. Still, she is watching him. Still, you are in the market. Chandni Mashish, love you. Still, he is 16 by heart. She is still working. I'm still attending the lecture. Trying to find you. Are you trying to find you? Are you still there? कॉमा डलेगा इसमें यू के बाद. I'm still traveling with her. She is still waiting. Okay, just I just finished my work. Lots of students are still sleeping. Very nice, Urban. Because out of 500, there are just 68 who are connected with it. I just arrived. John is still reading the book. He is still suffering from constipation. जो अब गुड मॉर्निंग कर रहे हैं ना उनको को सो जाओ. Just now I'm going to the market. I just pray to God. Wait just for a second. I just replied to your email. She is just joking. I just try to open my eyes for this lecture. I just try to open my eyes. Okay, still you like it. Fine. जैसे है you are still watching TV. Are you still watching TV? Right now, Tom is writing the letter. Right now, the letter is being written by the Tom. मतलब उसको एक्टिव पैसिव में भी करा है. ठीक है, we will do active passive also, no doubt, but still आप इस समझो पहले. Just means होता है अभी. Just imagine. I am there for you. होना तो है नहीं किसी ने, बस बोल देना है. I just obey the parents. I just respect. I just obey my parents. बाकी मैं किसी के कहना नहीं मानता, बस अपने माँ बाप का मानता. कह सकते हैं just obey my parents. They just want to talk about the movie. It is just disgusting. Oh my god. Okay. I am just waiting for the UPSC class. Okay, now this is an assignment for you people. यहाँ पे क्या है, जहां तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट लगेगा या प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में लगेगा. इवन मंडे सैली ड्राइव हर किड्स टू द फुटबॉल प्रैक्टिस. मंडे सैली ड्राइव का क्या आएगा? अच्छा जी, ड्राइव्स बिल्कुल सही है. फर्स्ट का आएगा ड्राइव्स बिकॉज सैली इज क्या है? सैली क्या है? हमने क्यों लिया ड्राइव्स? सिंगुलर. यूजुअली आई सेकेंड वर्कड नहीं आएगा. आई वर्क्स एज अ सेक्रेटरी बट दिस समर आई डैश स्टडिंग. आई स्टडी वाला क्या आएगा? आई एम studying French. Shh, be quiet. John is sleeping. John is sleeping. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It is raining. Yes. I hate living in a city because it always rain. I'm sorry, I can't hear what you are saying because everybody is talking loudly. Because everybody is talking so loudly. Just dash a book about his adventure in Justin currently Justin currently written a book. फिर आएगा Justin is currently writing the book. Justin is currently writing a book. क्या आएगा? Justin is currently writing a book about his adventures in Tibet. I hope he can find a good publisher when he is finished. Jim, do you want to come over for the dinner tonight? Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm going. I'm going to movie tonight. business cards the business cards we normally printed by a company are normally being printed. Very nice. The business cards are being normally printed by a company in the New York. Their prices are inexpensive, yet the quality of their work is quite good. This delicious chocolate is made by a chocolater in Zurich, Switzerland. This delicious chocolate is made. बी का बींग नहीं होता, यहाँ पे बी होता है या इज होता है या आर होता है. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, दिस डिलीशियस चॉकलेट सिंगुलर है तो इज आएगा. इज मेड बाय अ स्मॉल चॉकलेटर इन द ज्यूरिश स्विट्जरलैंड. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. बेटा देखो, जब भी बी फॉर्म दी होती है पर वो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रेजेंट में होता है या प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में होता है तो हमें पता है वो इज एम आर होते हैं. तो बी जो वर्ड है उसके लिए यूज होता है. द बिजनेस कार्ड्स. अब वहां पे क्या था, मैंने कहा बी में इज आ सकता है या आर आ सकता है, आई के साथ तो एम आ जाना है. तो अब वहां पे बिजनेस कार्ड्स थे, प्लूरल था, तो बी क्या हो गया, आर हो गया. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, दिस डिलीशियस चॉकलेट एक ही है तो उसमें क्या होया, दिस डिलीशियस चॉकलेट इज मेड. इज या आर ही आना था, तो इज आया बिकॉज चॉकलेट सिंगुलर है. Okay, this is also the assignment. Today, the second day of my trek around the Mount Annapurna. Today, अब बी है, today is. Very good, आप समझ तो आ गए. I am exhausted and my legs are shaking. Very nice. I just hope I am able to complete the trek. My feet, my feet, my feet really kills me, and my toes are bleeding. My feet really kills me. Yeah, my feet are killing me. Really नहीं यूज होगा, इसलिए my feet really kills me. And my toes are bleeding. My feet really kills me and my toes are bleeding, but I still want to continue. Clear with this first paragraph? Okay, Nepal is a fascinating country. Nepal is a fascinating country, but I I have a great deal to learn. Everything will be so different. Everything is so sorry. Everything is so different. And I am trying to adapt. Yes. And I'm trying to adapt to the new ways of life. I'm learning a little bit of the language, the communication easier. Unfortunately, I'm learning foreign language. Although I'm understanding much. Although I am not understanding much. I believe that I am improving gradually. I am currently traveling with Lame, a student from Leeds University in England. He is a nice guy but impatient. He is always walking ahead of me and complaining that I am too. I always I am doing my best to keep up with me, but he is younger and stronger than I am. Maybe I am just feeling sorry. I'm doing my best to keep up with him, but he's younger and stronger than I am. Maybe I'm just feeling sorry for myself because I'm getting old. Right now, Len is sitting with the owner of the inn. They are discussing the differences between the life in England and life in Nepal. And complaining that I am doing my best. Right now, Liam is sitting with the owner of the inn. They are discussing the differences between the life in England, the life in England, the life in Nepal. I know not the real. I know don't know the real name of the owner, but everybody dash him Tame. But everybody just call him Tame. Tame speaks English very well, and he tries to teach Lame some words in Nepali. Every time Tame says a new word, Lame tries to repeat it. Unfortunately, Lame also seems to have difficulty learning foreign languages. I just hope we don't get lost and have to ask for directions. So Claire, आई थिंक प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट की एक्सरसाइज भी हो गई और हमारी प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस के साथ क्लब करके भी हो गई. Is it clear? I will discuss tomorrow one topic with you, and then we'll give you another topic. Okay, students, all right, no issues. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye, G. Bye. Attend all the classes. Feel blessed. Feel energetic, and do your work. Bye.